Now, the shaving purists, a lot of these guys that I watch on YouTube do these funky things with, pushing the skin and... All right, avoid that.
All right, all good things come to an end, guys. Good or bad, all things come to an end. And it was about time for that mustache to go. So I'm gonna jump into the shower and I'm gonna make good on a nice shave with the Dead Sea by Razor Rock aftershave splash and soap. And I'm gonna go back to my Barber Up solid brass green handle, beautiful double-edged razor to kind of clean up and get going. First thing I'm gonna do, well, I'm gonna jump in the shower, steam up, clean up, and get ready. All right guys, so I've jumped out of the shower. I don't have much to do because when wearing facial hair, especially a mustache, I really feel like you go from this whimsical look to like a clinical look, like you should be put away with a couple of days of scruff. You just look like a homeless person unless you keep your face shaved. So I've been shaving pretty regularly, but it's gonna be good to get back to normal. The Dead Sea by Razor Rock. This is gonna be my go-to removal of facial hair when I do these experiments, like the beard, the goatee, the Abe Lincoln. This is gonna remove it because that look is dead. The Dead Sea. Now this is a beautiful soap. It's got a nice smell to it, nice airy, oceany. Perfect for removing this hair and the accompanying after shave. Let's get right to it. I'm gonna be using my favorite brush. It's the FM brush 1962. I just think it's the perfect knot. This is a silver tip synthetic badger hair, and what's beautiful about FM brush is they pioneered, back in the 60s, they pioneered the use of synthetics for lots of reasons that are real popular today. It's a cleaner substance, right? There's more consistency to it. There is not the need to wet soak it. So you can go right into some near hot water and go for it. A traditional badger brush, you have to soak it so the water gets into the pores. So this looks like badger, performs like badger, but it's easier to keep clean. It's less chance of bacteria forming because it's synthetic, and no badger is harmed in the production of this brush. So it's friendly to the world, right? Just a beautiful, seamless acrylic handle, nice in the hand, very, very nice. All right, and a good diameter on that knot. I'll go right into our tin of Razor Rock, and I'll spend about 10-15 seconds swirling up a nice lather. There's not much need for that with Razor Rock soaps. They're easy to lather, good value. I've lathered all over the bathroom. And I'm gonna go right onto my face and start a face lather going. Again, I've just jumped out of the shower, so my skin is prepped and ready to go. Oh, it smells so good. And I missed a complete shave, guys. I missed the ritual of effortlessly applying lather, not worrying about what I'm taking off, getting that lather up under my nose. Ah, yeah. Look at that. So in a quick, 30 seconds, you have a nice, healthy lather. This razor rock is beautiful. Now, this might be a tad on the dry side. It's super thick, but I like it, especially for the first pass. And today I probably only will do 2 passes if I do that. Again, I don't have much ground to cover since I have been shaving lots lately. And I'll go right up. I'm gonna go with the grain for the first pass. And you see how smooth and easy that is, that razor rock soap. Ah, yeah. Two sides of a double-edged blade, use both. Oh yeah, guys, it's nice. Hear the feedback? Ah, yeah. Again, 2 sides of a double edge, use them both. Okay. Very, very nice. Let's get into this razor. The Barber Up brass handled razor is one of my favorites because it has good heft and it's colorful like me. Then solid heft is helpful in the sense that you really want to let the device do all the work, especially if you're new to wet shaving. And what I mean by that is you want to let the heft or the weight of the razor make all the pressure. You don't want to add pressure to the shave. You're shaving, you're not digging, guys. Digging is a bad thing. It's good in dirt, bad on skin. Now, the shaving purists, a lot of these guys that I watch on YouTube do these funky things with, pushing the skin and... All right, avoid that. Especially if you have the propensity, or if your skin has the propensity to get irritated or develop hair, ingrown hairs. All this twisting the skin and looking fancy, it's hogwash. It's creating problems for you guys. Let those fancy folks do that. Let them be fancy and ruin their skin. Or they may have good skin. They probably have been blessed with skin that can tolerate some more abuse. But you want to light pressure to no pressure, good angles, limited passes. That'll help you in this game because you're never going to get all of the hair. The contorting and the hogwash, just for show. I'm going to go back to the original lather. I'll add one more layer of foam and we'll do a final pass. 2 passes today, guys. Give my skin a little break, but have a nice presentable look going into the office today. The homage to George Michael is over. All right, here we go. Cross grade. Take your time. 35-degree angle. Not trying to do too much. And letting the device go where it wants to go. You hear the feedback? Take your time. dig. Don't contort. Don't puff up your cheeks. Don't stretch your skin. Just let the blade do the work and enjoy yourself. You can push the skin around your Adam's apple if you want, because you don't want to cut yourself there. Perfect. That mustache is history. All right, now I'm gonna rinse off with some cool water. And let's get ready for some aftershave again. The companion aftershave, the Dead Sea. That old style is dead. Oh yeah. Nice and breezy. Ocean spray. Nice. And there you have it, guys. Said goodbye to that mustache and hello to the next set of shaves. Razor Rock, the Dead Sea. Perfect. Just perfect for morning shave. Pick this up at pastorshaving.com, or if you're in New York City, head over to Pastor Pharmacy. I'll leave links in the description box below, guys. You'll love it. You'll love it. So if you don't have a fancy aftershave, you could use a little bit of that foam that's left over, that lather, and coat your face. So keep that in mind. But it's always nice to have the companion scent in an aftershave. All right, guys, as always, I want to thank you for watching. As I said in the beginning, everything comes to an end, whether it's good or bad. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And I will see you next time, which will probably be like, who the hell knows? But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you away.